Another day of irrational markets. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions here with a super quick market update. I really want to talk about how to prepare for tomorrow because of what's to come, but also we got to talk about this market. The NASDAQ market hit new all-time highs today, even after the news has come out that the US and Iran peace talks have been stalled, right? They've both disagreed on the peace offering. It makes no sense on why markets are pushing higher. And guess what? Oil prices are actually pushing higher. Well, if oil is pushing higher, why would markets be thriving based off of that? Again, it must be because of the weather, right? We have great weather. It's a Monday. Why not push to all-time highs? Again, your guess is as good as mine. Semis are leading the pump again today. We have NVIDIA pretty much paving the way. NVIDIA is up 3% on the day, continuously pushing up higher. We have Western Digital up 7.5%, Micron up 6, almost 7%, Intel up 2.6%. We have SanDisk even slightly in the green. Again, these are all stocks that all they've been doing is pumping. How long will this last before it all comes falling apart? Can it be tomorrow? Well, what can you look out for tomorrow? This is exactly what I wanted to share with you guys. A lot of you guys already know that tomorrow is the CPI data report. We get it, Ricky. Inflation is going up. No. We all know that, right? Overall inflation is expected to rise from 3.3 to 3.7. Yeah, that's a big jump, but most of that is being contributed to oil. Oil prices are going up. That gets passed down to consumers. That is why CPI is expected to jump up so much. But core CPI does not focus on that. Core CPI is all items less food and energy. Energy being oil. So this will tell us if the inflation that we are seeing rise with oil is now being passed down to other sectors that is also causing inflation to go higher. That would be the concern, that if core inflation actually jumps up higher than what was expected, that then proves that now oil is not just in the energy sector and inflation is not just in the energy sector. Now it's kind of seeped into the other areas where consumers truly do not have the disposable income to cover it. That would inject uncertainty. Or maybe core inflation doesn't go up more than what was expected. That is a case, right? But I am just making you aware of what I would look out for tomorrow. Wall Street wants to see if inflation is still just when it comes down to oil or if it's actually seeped into core CPI, which is all items less food and energy. And remember, that is tomorrow, 1 hour before the markets open. So I'll make sure that I do my part in keeping you guys up to date before that report actually comes out. I was actually thinking about live streaming it, and you guys can let me know down in the comment section if you think that we should. Because again, if core CPI does come out much worse than what was expected, at that point, markets will most likely retrace in a negative way. If it doesn't, then markets can continue to remain irrational because there isn't enough fear in the market being injected to create more uncertainty. So I'll do my part in keeping you guys up to date. All I ask you to do is to drop a thumbs up and subscribe. And again, if you guys want me to go live tomorrow for that CPI report, just drop a thumbs up and get this video to over 500 likes. I hope to see you for our live trading session tomorrow. If you want to check it out to learn more, to watch me trade live every single day, it's the second link in the description down below. We also have the risk calculator in there for you that you're welcome to try out yourself. I appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.